Welcome back, guys. So the last time we drove the car, don't mind the sucky thingy. Last time we drove the car was going lean. Every time we went up in the RPM and went up in the boost, we hit like 60 psi fuel pressure and then drop back down to 40. So today I'm gonna try to see if I can figure out what the issue is, and then hopefully go for a drive. I haven't drive this car in a long time, and I kind of miss it, you know. And it's so hot outside, and this is kind of nice. But yeah, let me work with that today. All right, so for up here, right, the fuel pressure regulator is right here. Now I made sure that there is no leaks in the vacuum, and that's good. Now this is a new fuel pressure regulator, so I don't want to believe that the fuel pressure regulator is bad. Now the possibility exists that it could be, don't get me wrong, but I don't want to believe that the pressure regulator is bad. Which leads me to the fuel pump. Once again, this is also a new fuel pump, so I don't want to believe the fuel pump is bad. Now they're both aeromotive, so they're not like the cheapest versions, so it's like, you know. So I'm gonna work with the assumption that the fuel tank probably has dirt in it that's blocking the fuel pump and stifling it. So I'm gonna take it apart, and then I'm gonna try to see if that makes a difference. Fingers crossed. Check. All right, so I took the wires and stuff out of the way. Yeah, don't mind my poor wire work. It's okay. Now I just need to take this off right here and then tap this out. Yeah. So you gotta tap this out, take this off. But I take it off right here. Feel me? Okay. I'm gonna use my two hands for this. Alright, so I'm gonna loosen this bad boy right here. God, that was not a good idea. Now I made a mess. Alright, I'm gonna put on some gloves because I want my hand to stink, I guess. Alright, so gloves on. Glove on. This is kind of out the way. So now we gotta get some to tap here. Turn this. Alright, so just a few taps and the ring is off. And check. No. Okay, that was easy. Alright. Look at that bad boy. That bad boy red in there. Okay. How do I get this out? No, I think I gotta push down some. Ow. Alright, so I have it out right now, and honestly, judging from the way it looks, I'm not sure if that is really the issue, but you know, it's starting here because instead of gonna dump a bunch of money and just buy a new pump or buy a new regulator, let's just try this first. Check. I did see this line is good. There's no like cuts or breaks on the line, so that was a good sign. And these fittings are tight, so I'm gonna let me show you the inside the tank. I am seeing this right there. Once again, I'm not sure if that's gonna be the issue, but I'm gonna clean that stuff out, put it back together, and see what I can do. Okay, so real quick, I try to pull this off. I think I might have broken it, but look at this. So that might be the issue right there for real. So let me try to clean this out. I'm not sure if this could separate. Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna clean this out, put it back together, and see what we're dealing with. Alright, so I'm all put back together now. My hand ended up in the gas still, and I got cut. So if I have some kind of quick superpowers, it's because blood and gas mixed. But that's cool. I'm gonna show you what's going on here. So see all of this sweat. I said hot. I said you're hotter. This something not right down here. I think I need to reseal this because I see it started to move when I started working. God is good. It's fine. Let me see what's happening. So right now, I'm getting ready to start up, and then I'll go for a quick drive. Reverse. Prime. I do our next prime. Should we see nothing visible there? Let's see. Alright, so far yeah, I can say we have fuel pressure. Yeah, that's better. Happening out there? What's going on out there, man? Personally, yeah, I ain't really doing nothing for me there. But it's cool, God is good. Cruising through the streets in my 8.4. Yeah. I wonder if I could do a no lift shift, boy. just realized I didn't film an outro. So if you're still in the video and still watching, feel free to go follow our social media page on Instagram now, because we're making phone cases so we can afford to buy parts to go racing in the future. So if you want to get your custom made phone cases, go to Spice Case Company on Instagram and follow us. Check this. This one I was just trying it out, you know, trying to work on making these as well for Grenada 473, you know, the 473 with the jab colors. Anyways, yeah. So feel free, reach out if you're interested in getting yourself a case. Let me know. Enjoy the rest of your day.